Why are false memories so easy to create in the mind? Imagine recalling an event so vividly that it feels like a real memory, but in truth, it never happened. That's the strange power of false memories. Our brains are not perfect tape recorders. They are more like storytellers that fill in gaps with what seems logical or familiar. This makes creating false memories surprisingly simple. When we remember something, our minds don't just replay a recording. Instead, they reconstruct the event, piecing together bits of related information, cues from the environment, and our expectations. This reconstruction process can easily be influenced by suggestion or social cues, leading to the creation of memories that never actually occurred. One reason false memories are so easy to produce is because of associative activation. When we learn or think about one idea, related concepts automatically come to mind. For example, if you hear words like beach, sun, and sand, your brain might falsely recall the word holiday because it's connected in your mind, even if it was never said. Our brains link ideas through meaning, so related thoughts can trigger false memories without us realizing it. Suggestion and social influence also play a big role. If someone subtly hints or suggests an event, our minds can accept that as truth, even if no one explicitly lies. Experiments have shown that when people observe others talking about certain events, they can incorporate those details into their own memories, creating shared false memories. It's like our minds are social sponge-like, soaking up suggestions without us noticing. Another factor is source misattribution. Sometimes we forget where a memory came from. We might think we saw something ourselves when we only heard about it or imagined it. This confusion makes it easy for imagined or suggested events to become part of our personal history. Our brain also has a built-in warning system to detect errors or uncertainty in memories. But certain areas, like the ventromedial prefrontal cortex, can turn down these signals. When that happens, we become more confident in false memories, accepting them as real without doubt. Mood and emotional states influence how easily false memories form too. People in a positive mood might be more open to accepting false memories, while those feeling negative might be more cautious. Our feelings shape what we believe we remember, adding a quirky twist to the process. Every time we recall a memory, our brain reconstructs it, often adding or changing details. Leading questions or misleading context can distort memories further, making false memories more likely. From a strange science perspective, these experiments show that memory is more like a creative story than a perfect recording. The mind's tendency to connect, fill in gaps, and be influenced by others makes false memories surprisingly simple to create. This explains why eyewitness testimonies can sometimes be unreliable, and why groups of people can share the same false memories, like in the famous Mandela effect. In the end, our memories are shaped by a complex mix of associations, suggestions, and reconstruction. That's why false memories are so easy to plant in the mind, and why understanding this process is so fascinating.